In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Leonardo AI Realtime Canvas, one of the most creative tools for turning rough ideas into polished visuals in real time. If you want to sketch, paint, or block out a concept and let AI help you clean it up, this is a simple workflow that can save you a ton of time. And before we jump in, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Leonardo AI and go to the left navigation sidebar. From there, click Real-Time Canvas. This takes you into the workspace where you can build and edit images interactively with AI support. Once you're inside, look at the left sidebar carefully. At the top, you'll see the option to add an image. This is useful if you want to upload your own photo or bring in a previous generation and continue editing it. If you want to start from scratch instead, use the Generate button to create a new image inside the canvas. You'll also notice a few useful tools in the sidebar. There's a selection tool for choosing parts of the image, an eraser for removing areas, and a brush for drawing shapes or rough ideas that the AI can interpret. This is one of the most important parts of real-time Canvas because you do not need to draw perfectly. You can sketch a loose shape, a basic outline, or even a rough composition, and Leonardo AI will try to understand what you mean. If you want better results, you can also type instructions into the prompt box. This helps guide the AI so it does not misunderstand what you are trying to create. For example, if you draw a rough object or scene, your prompt can explain the style, subject, or details you want the AI to keep in mind. Below that, you can adjust the brush color and brush size. This is helpful when you want to mark up different parts of the canvas or create cleaner, more controlled shapes. Smaller brush sizes are useful for detail work, while larger brushes help when you want to block out broad ideas quickly, and if you make a mistake, Leonardo gives you easy controls to fix it. You can use undo, redo, or clear canvas depending on what you need. Undo is perfect for reversing one step, redo brings it back, and clear canvas wipes everything so you can restart fresh. Now, let's move to the main canvas area. Done. If you want to edit an existing image, use the Inpaint mode option at the top of the page. Inpaint mode is great for changing specific parts of an image without recreating everything from scratch. You can highlight or paint over the section you want to improve, then let the AI regenerate that area for you. You can also choose a style and adjust the creativity level of the AI. This gives you more control over how closely the result follows your original idea versus how much freedom the AI has to add new details. If you want something more accurate, lower creativity can help. If you want more artistic variation, increase it. So the basic workflow is really simple. Open Real-Time Canvas, upload or generate your image, sketch your rough idea with the brush or selection tools, guide the AI with a clear prompt, and then refine the result using Inpaint mode and style settings. That is what makes this tool so powerful for concept art, design mockups, and fast visual brainstorming. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more AI content, and let me know in the comments what you want to create with Leonardo AI next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.